Welcome back to the part 2 of the butterfly modeling series. In the previous video, that is the part 1, we have modeled this body of this butterfly, and in this video we are going to model the wings of this butterfly. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. So in order to model the wings, what we can do is we can add a single word, and as soon as you add the word, you will directly enter into the edit mode, and then we need to just extrude this word, and then just we need to follow the reference of this wings that is given in the image. So I'm just placing this word over here, and then just we need to keep on extruding. So since this extruding process is very simple, so I'm just fast forwarding this particular process. So when you are about to complete the extrusion process, so what we can do is we need to just merge the initial and the final vertex. So how we can do is we can just select both of this vertex. So here you can see, and then press F on the keyboard, so that both the initial and the final point of this vertex will be merged, and you will get a complete vertex. So now you can select each of these vertices and then extrude and then followed by scale, so that you will get a structure something similar to this. And now what we can do is we can use the smooth tool given over here, the purplish color, and use the smooth tool to smooth out the vertices. And then we need to fill the inner gaps. We can just fill it by using this grid fill option. So here you can see we have just completed the modeling of this upper wing of this butterfly. And now we need to proceed on to the modeling of this lower wing. But before that, I am just renaming this object as a upper wing, and also renaming this cube as the butterfly body. So now we can just follow the same process of adding a new vertex, and then we can just follow the reference line, and then just keep on extruding this word 2, and it will be a similar process. So I think I must fast forward this particular process of extruding the lower wing. So here you can see the lower wing of butterfly is having some curve shapes around the wings. So if you add more vertices, you will get a very better quality of the wing. So feel free to add as many as vertices, as it will increase the resolution of this butterfly wing. And it is a very simple process. So finally you can just complete this one also. Merge the initial and the final vertex. And now we can also follow the same process. Select the vertices, extrude followed by scale, Then we can use the smooth tool to smooth out these edges, and then followed by the grid fill. You can also smooth out this grid fill option. So here you can see we have just completed the modeling of the wings, and now what we can do is we can select each of these wings, and then we can go to the edit mode, and selecting all the vertices, what we can do is we can extrude this each of these vertices along the y direction, so that we are just about to give a thickness to this wings of this butterfly. Since it is a very negligible thickness, so that it won't be appearing or into the render view, but just for the case, so you need to give this thickness, and then go to the subdivision surface modifier and add this modifier to each of these wings, so that it will have some larger resolutions. And now what we can do is we can just mirror each of these wings, adding a mirror modifier and placing it above the subdivision surface modifier. That is the most important process. So we are mirroring it along the body of the butterfly. Same thing you need to do with this lower wing. Also place this mirror modifier above the subdivision surface and select the body as the mirror object. So finally you can see we have just modeled the butterfly wings. So finally we have just modeled the butterfly, and this much is for this video. And in the next video we are going to model the legs of this butterfly, and we will also talk about the texturing of this butterfly. So till then, have a nice day and thank you so much.